Today we will talk about chords and inversions, and specifically we will address the inversions of triads. To remind you, a triad is a chord made of 3 notes, which are stacked on top of each other at a distance of a third, or a skip on the keyboard, like this. It's kind of easy to identify the triad because it just looks so unique. So let's work with C major triad. My C major triad is made of notes C, E, and G. If I want to make an inversion of this chord, basically I want to make the order of the notes in the chord different than it is right now. So instead of C, E, G, I could present this same chord as an E, G, C. That's what I'm going to do now. I will move this bass note up an octave, and I will keep 2 remaining notes in their place. E, G, and C. This is called first inversion. This inversion is also called a 6-3 in music theory. 6 meaning there is an interval of 6 that is formed between the bass note and the top note. And 3 meaning there is an interval of third between the bass note and the middle note. Sometimes, however, musicians are lazy, and instead of 6-3, they write 6. Our next inversion will make me move the bottom note again an octave up. I will keep G, C, and my E will be up here. And this is called second inversion. In my second inversion, I have intervals 6th and 4th. Therefore, this second inversion is called 6-4. And it is always indicated like that, 6-4. There's no shortcut. Now, if we look back at the root position and the intervals that form this root position, it's going to be a 5th and a 3rd. The root position is otherwise called 5-3. 5-3 are the numbers for root position of a triad. 6-3 is the first inversion. Sometimes it will be indicated as 6. And 6-4 is the second inversion. What happens if I move the bottom note once again up an octave? Let's see. Here's my C, E, and then my G is up here. I'm getting a root position again. Since there are only 3 notes in a triad, we only get 2 inversions, and the third time we shift the notes around, we're getting the same root position, just 1 octave higher. I hope this helps. Good luck.